Okay, so nameless kitten, who I'm going to be calling Needles, because that's what she's apparently made of, um, has decided that she likes my shoulders, and she's not getting down, and uh, I can't really reach her to grab her at all. Say hi, Needles. Hey, come on, say hi. Hello. But yeah, okay. So if I just get like left hand, I can't really get her. Okay, hold on, Needles, hold on. I'm just gonna walk you over to somebody who can get you down. Cause I can't really. Oh, maybe if I sit down. Look, I'm trying my best here. This is not exactly protocol I'm trained in. Look, little baby. Little baby. Okay. Can you get down from there? Come here. Get off my back. Come on. Come on. I got you. I got you. Okay. I'm working on it. But now she's like right on my back, so I can't even stand up anymore. Jeez. You are more trouble than you're worth. Kitten update. Get him! Come on, come on, hop down. Hop down. Or at least get closer to one side so I can get you. Come on. Hi. Okay. You're okay. You're okay. Hi. Oh, it's a lovely kitty. It's a lovely kitty, yes. Yes, you are. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna set you down. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Say hello. Yes, hello. Hello. Oh, it's a good kitty. Hi. Okay. Well, I'm gonna leave you now, but you are the cutest little thing ever.